Well, hello Vienna. I'm the realtor Eric Corder. 1102 14th Avenue is a fantastic place to live. Let me show you around and tell you why I love this house.
Scrolling on my phone.
This sprawling 4-bedroom house sits on a double lot with a giant backyard for recreation. The oversized garage has all new insulation, drywall, electric, and a completely renovated bathroom. Step inside to all new flooring and a fantastic kitchen that opens up into a fabulous family room or whatever you think you want it to be. This house is tastefully updated with plenty of space, and here comes the realtor pitch. Don't wait, it's not going to be here long.
I do not